electric racing scooters that you'll want to ride. Weped FS. Most scooters have a traditional look, but the Weped FS has a bold, aggressive design made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The FS has a whole lighting system and can roll at breathtaking speeds. The electric scooter is from the South Korean brand Weped, and every detail of the vehicle is eye-catching. The FS stands out from the rest with its distinct folding design. When it's folded, it doesn't resemble a scooter at first glance. There is a wide footrest and rounded steering column when it comes to the design. Instead of standard spring shocks, this scooter has a high-quality suspension with air oil shocks absorbers. This system improves both ride comfort and off-road performance. A 72-volt battery running at 50 Ah provides 74.5 miles of travel on a single charge. The Weped FS is capable of reaching a top speed of 74.5 miles per hour. This speed is so fast that it may be necessary to limit the scooter's speed in some countries. All that speed comes at the cost of $9,000. Flyboard Air. While some scooters are made for the ground, the Flyboard Air is made for the air. This highly incredible scooter is too expensive to be purchased and is primarily an attraction to provide a lot of fun. Flyboard Air is the world's first jet-powered hoverboard and rises in the air using jet propulsion. With no special preparation or extensive training needed, many can enjoy taking flight in a futuristic way. Before takeoff, a brief 5-minute introduction is all that is necessary. The only requirement is wherever you fly over, it must be at least 5 feet deep but has a maximum flying height of 10,000 feet. 5 powerful turbines provide the rider with a continuous flight time of up to 10 minutes, a max weight capacity of 225 pounds, and speeds of about 100 miles per hour. The Flyboard Air has been hailed as the safest, easiest, lightest, and most maneuverable personal aviation vehicle developed. Lampuga Air. Many different types of scooters exist, and although some roll on solid ground, others slide across open water. Lampuga Air can provide dozens of hours of fun on the water. This inflatable jet board is not only practical but very easy to store. The two-element design consists of an inflatable part that keeps the board afloat, while the plastic part houses the 14-horsepower motor. Charging the jet board only takes 2 hours and on a full battery supply 45 minutes of riding. A rider can ride on the water at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Lampuga Air can be inflated with a standard pump and, when transported, easily folds into a small portable roll. The plastic part of it is so compact it is able to fit in the trunk of a car. While holding on to the handle, the rider controls the board by shifting their weight to complete turns and other maneuvers. This jet board is suitable for all ages and comes at a price of $3,000. Micro Luggage 3.0. The Micro Luggage 3.0 kickboard introduces both function and practicality by combining a sizable backpack and scooter, and while in use, they don't interfere with each other. The backpack features enough storage for 2 to 4 days of travel, is TSA compliant, and fits in most aircraft overhead bins. Inside the backpack are many storage compartments for all your necessities, a laptop, and even a tablet. The wheels do not get dirt or debris on your clothes when wearing the backpack due to its unique folding design. While riding around, the backpack is secured to the steering column, making it very versatile. This hybrid form of transportation has a 220-pound weight capacity and the smoothest gliding wheels. The Micro Luggage 3.0 is the perfect way to make connecting flights and get around an airport effortlessly, but be sure to fold up the standing desk when checking in. Therefore, staff will recognize it as carry-on rolling luggage. Steering this scooter is easily done with its principle of weight transfer. Lean in the direction of choice to steer. The cost is $300. Lux LX. The company Lux Longboards developed an epically affordable, fast, and reliable longboard. The LX is an electric all-terrain 2-in-1 vehicle with a transforming design that can switch from quick city grocery store runs to off-road adventures. The wheels of the longboard are what make this possible, and they are capable of changing in a single movement. The standard configuration model has 3.8-inch wheels and 8-inch wheels for off-road riding. In addition, pneumatic tires provide the board with better traction and increased ground clearance. The LX can travel on all types of terrain, from grass to dirt paths. It can also tackle hills up to 35% gradient while in sport mode. No hill is too steep. The 504-watt battery supplies a range of 25 miles with the standard battery and 7 miles with the travel battery. Top speeds are 30 miles per hour but will reduce as voltage decreases. The LX can be purchased for $1,300 and with the all-terrain wheels, $1,000. Splash Transformer. Is it a scooter or is it a motorbike? The Splash Transformer is an entirely new scooter for active lifestyles or extreme sports enthusiasts. This electric scooter has the performance of a motorcycle, and the rear wheels house the 960-watt electric motor capable of reaching a top speed of 24 miles per hour in 4 to 6 seconds. It is also able to tackle a maximum hill grade of 28%. Disc brakes provide the needed stopping power, and each 10-inch tire has its own suspension system, enhanced traction, and stability for all terrain types. It also includes an IPS rating of IPX4. The 48-volt, 10.2Ah battery will fully charge in 6 hours and is capable of 24 to 28 miles of travel on a single charge. This is also dependent on the rider's weight and riding mode. The entire vehicle weighs 50.6 pounds and has a load limit of 220 pounds. The price of this powerful scooter starts at $1,100. INU scooter. Developers in Israel designed a self-folding electric vehicle that takes up very little space. When folded, the dimensions are 1,200 mm x 300 mm x 400 mm. The INU scooter runs on a 750-watt electric motor and can reach speeds of 15.5 miles per hour. While the scooter is compact and portable, the most notable feature is its remote-controlled self-folding system. Other exciting features include Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows it to receive calls and use a built-in GPS. The owner of this scooter will be pleased with how it meets the highest standards of both service and safety, but can also keep a rider entertained during their trip and help stay in touch with others. The INU scooter can convert from a sit-down scooter to a standing kick-style scooter, making it great for any lifestyle. Travel range varies from 12.5 miles to 25 miles, depending on the rider's weight and riding mode. The price for the INU scooter starts at $3,000. Rooter City Coco R804M1. Have you ever wanted to buy a motorcycle but were too afraid to do so? The Rooter City Coco is the perfect option. This electric scooter closely resembles a more intense vehicle. It's capable of adapting to all road conditions, so it's ideal for the city or the suburbs. The 18-inch tires provide a smooth ride throughout your trip. The removable 60-volt, 12Ah battery charges in 4 hours and offer an 18.5-mile range. The 1500-watt motor will allow top speeds to reach 28 miles per hour and be able to climb 30-degree inclines. A few other scooter features include front and rear suspension, front and rear LED turning lights, a stoplight, LCD screen display, and a horn. With such a unique appearance, onlookers won't be sure if they see a scooter or motorcycle. The lineup includes multiple models of varying degrees, and prices can range from $2,000 to $3,600. GoTube. Scooter travel is very popular due to its easy portability, and the GoTube makes that portability easier. Starting as a campaign on Kickstarter, this scooter is now the most portable personal vehicle on the market. At 5.4 inches in diameter, 29.3 inches long, and weighing only 12.8 pounds, its carbon fiber body makes it very lightweight and easy to transport. When the Go tube is folded, it neatly stows into a tube that can be worn easily over the shoulder. Outstanding performance can be expected from the scooter from the 36-volt 4Ah battery, which can be fully charged in 2 hours and provide a 7.4-mile range and top speeds of 10 miles per hour. But in case the battery runs out, it will function as a regular kick scooter so you can continue to travel. Other features are the USB port that can charge phones and mobile devices, a tachometer for speed control, and finally, a night mode that gives generous lighting when traveling in the dark. Go tube can be purchased for $500.